was not their case. So what we do is we engage them and we take them to Dubai, and what we do is that we give them job opportunities. So it's purely first it is purely out of passion, okay, because I am associate for the sport from school days, and secondly FC Goa, as in everybody loves FC Goa. So given the opportunity, I could not just resist staying from this opportunity, and then I was the first one. I discussed with Vala and I said, she said, you know what, this is a great opportunity to associate ourselves with the sport and ISL, which is just started last year. We saw, everyone has seen the response of how ISL has picked up in its first year, and I think so it will be, as a company, as a corporate, I think so it will give a much of a brand value to us, okay, to show that okay, FC Prime Markets is there to be associated with FC Goa, and yes, we will be having our own events and to what exactly we do to the public as well.
Can I just add, Sydney? I think while again we go back to the limitation of the limited size of the market, I think ISL is reaching out globally to a lot of viewers, which certainly includes the consumers that FC Prime Market has. So that certainly was something which kind of excited everybody who was involved.
No, I think so. And as you guys know, it's the fourth largest viewed league in the world. So I think so. It's just another platform for us, a corporate like us, to be there and try to promote ourselves, because we are not looking only at Goa as in terms, because it's being viewed in 17 other countries, Suki, I guess?
Yes, more
than 17 other countries. So I think so it's just that we would love to be a part of FC Goa, and while at the same time showcase ourselves as to the rest of the world as well.
Can you actually explain the thinking behind a 5-year deal? Because it seems like a very long time to be associated with a franchise for 5 years.
Okay, the 5D. See, again, I was just talking to Beto yesterday and to as well that we are not just not looking at a partnership. We are looking at a relationship, building a relationship with the FC Goa. So I think so a 5-year deal for us, and looking at the ISL in its first year, I think so it is that we would want to be a part of FC Goa for a longer time. And given if Raj today, even if today tells me, Sydney, we would love to have you for the next till the end of the ISL, till continues, I would love to be a part of FC Goa till it goes on.
Maybe we'll take one last question, if there is any, and then we'll...
Mr. Salongar, when you build a fan base, it basically a fan base depends on consistency in the team. And consistency will be consistency in number of the players and the coaches. Do you think FC Goa is planning of having consistent players and coaches for the future also? Or will it keep changing every year? Will the players keep changing and coach keep changing? Or what is this thinking behind that?
I think the very fact is Zico is our coach again for this year. Shows that we believe in consistency and having the same kind of spirit and culture in the team. Under Zico's leadership and guidance, FC Goa played a very unique and engaging form of football, and a particular discipline and way of playing which came in. We requested Zico to be the coach for this year and next year. So he said this year he is definitely there. If he becomes president of FIFA, I don't know. But we would very much like to be associated with Coach Zico, whom we have the highest respect and regard for. I think he's a absolutely unique personality. He brings in a lot of values, discipline, techniques, strategy, everything. Even our players like Romeo, Mandar have learned so much from him. So I think that is what we believe. I mean, we will look to Zico for guidance. We would like to have consistency and a certain level of inner culture and discipline. And that's why we're looking at everything long term. So, Zico, we would like long term with FC Prime, long term, with the other partners. Everything is basically for the long term.
We have with us the iconic Brazilian defender Lucio, who has won World Cup with Brazil and captained the great South American country. He has also played for Bayern Munich, Inter Milan, and won a host of titles, including Champions League. Lucio, what is the most exciting part of this new challenge of playing for FC Goa in the ISL?
O que é para você mais assim excitante de estar aqui na Índia?
Para mim, o que mais me motiva é uma aventura nova, um futebol diferente e uma liga que tem toda a capacidade de crescer.
What more motivates me is a new challenge, a new league, a new environment, and everything that this tournament has the potential to grow.
As a youngster, you must have watched Zico play and you have grown up following the iconic Zico. And you have mentioned it in your previous interviews that Zico was the most important part for you to join FC Goa. So tell us about your memories as a child watching Zico and when did you decide to become a footballer?
Você falou que você, com certeza, quando era pequeno, viu o Zico jogar e tudo, e você já até falou que foi uma das grandes motivações para você ter vindo aqui, estar trabalhando com o Zico. E o que vendo todo isso aí, o que te motivou a ser um jogador de futebol, se isso aí te ajudou mais exatamente?
Eu comecei a jogar na rua, né, mesmo, e depois consegui me profissionalizar e quando eu vi que tinha potencial e capacidade para seguir em frente, foi onde eu me empenhei o máximo e comecei a sonhar cada vez mais.
I started to play football very young age on the streets and all. And after I saw that I had some potential, I started to become a professional and I started to dedicate more. And when I saw that it was really working out, so I started to dedicate much more so and I could reach new targets and new goals.
And about the memories of following Zico, what did you like about it?
Você tem alguma memória de você acompanhar o Zico? Qual uma grande memória que você tem de ver ele jogar?
Eu acho que a maioria dos brasileiros é a seleção de 82, né? Seleção que tinha vários jogadores, né? Como o Zico, né? Infelizmente não conseguiu ganhar a Copa do Mundo, mas era uma seleção que encantava pelo jeito de jogar.
Not just me, but many Brazilians from that time. That reminds more is the Brazilian team of '82. That Zico was part of it, and many good players like him was playing there. So unfortunately, it's not a so good memory because we lost the title. But even that we lost the title, this team fascinates all the world.
India is doing a lot to develop football, not in the sense there are so many talent hunts that companies are sponsoring. There are these tournaments like ISL, which is in the second year, which aims to develop the grassroots football. But we see that in many countries, South American countries, street football is itself giving opportunities or giving the platform for youngsters to grow. What would you like to tell the youngsters here, how they can take these opportunities of talent hunts and tournaments, how they must look after themselves, what is necessary to become a good footballer?
Ele falou que nesse campeonato eles estão investindo muito forte na categoria de base, tudo, muito dinheiro envolvido. Mas o que acontece também que a gente vê na América do Sul, que mesmo sem ter todo esse dinheiro envolvido, muitos meninos que aprenderam a jogar futebol na rua chegam a ser profissionais e tudo. E o conselho que você daria a esses novos jovens que estão querendo se tornar profissionais, o que eles poderiam fazer para alcançar?
Eu acho que a melhor iniciativa é a categoria de base mesmo.
I think the best thing is the grassroots.
Se apaixonando cada vez mais pelo futebol.
That you can get passionate for football every time more.
E acreditar no sonho de que um dia eu posso ser um grande jogador.
Fundamental. And all these boys can believe in their dreams that they will become a football player.
Finally, you will be the captain for FC Goa. We have seen you lead the greatest country in the world, that is Brazil, and now you're going to be a captain of FC Goa. What sort of team or what sort of capability do you see in the boys? You really believe we can win the title? Goan team can win the title in the ICC?
Falou que você já foi capitão do Brasil, agora você é o capitão da Índia. E o que você vê nesse time aí que você realmente pode acreditar que a gente possa alcançar o título?
A princípio, o mais importante, né, é a integração de todos, o bom entendimento entre os estrangeiros e indianos, isso acho que é fundamental.
I think the main point is the understanding of everyone in the group, foreigners and Indians that we can understand each other and we can do a good work.
Eu acredito que isso, a atmosfera dentro do time está muito boa, isso é importante.
And one thing that I can say is the environment of our team. It's a very good environment. It has been wonderful to work with them.
Eu acredito também que nosso time não é o favorito, mas ainda vai crescer e a gente espera que esse crescimento aconteça dentro da competição.
And for now, our team maybe it's not the favorite to win the title, but for sure our team will grow and we're gonna work hard to get the title.
Finally, Goa is known as one of the best places in India, the picturesque state, beautiful places to visit. Have you, and of course the food here is also known as one of the best. Have you found out some time to taste Goa?
Falou que a Índia, Goa é considerada aqui na Índia como um dos lugares favoritos para ir, na questão turística, a comida também é muito boa. Falou que você conseguiu já encontrar algum tempinho para você conhecer um pouquinho de Goa e se encontrou, o que você gostou?
Não, muito pouco, assim, eu saí mais, fui no shopping fazer algumas, dar uma volta, conhecer mais, mas para mim o que mais eu gostei aqui da cidade e também da Índia é o carinho, é a humildade, é a simplicidade do povo daqui. Isso cativa muito qualquer turista que vem. E para mim isso foi assim, uma coisa que me deixou feliz aqui.
The thing, our schedule here is very hectic, so we didn't have so much time to go around and all. I just went, I think, on mall to buy some things and all. But one thing that more impressed me was not the things that I'm seeing, but the people. The people is very careful, very humble, very nice, always want to help. I think these kind of people that touch more in the tourist people hearts and people that come to visit here.
Thank you very much, Lucio, for talking to us, and best of luck and Forza Goa.